And in this present, I'm going to talk about our multi-portable charging station. Is proposed to charge the battery of drones. We have this is outside. We have inside. This is the 6 chargers to battery. We have it's possible to maintain connect every time with the two process to remain it. This is the inside or introduce. We have to inside 2 powers, or to make the car change to the battery directly, or the house inside. This is dual programmer for battery. Is to make charges routine about 5 days. He's put into the change mode. This is the portable power station. We have to make independence of the other. This is to the solar charge. We have put this one to the box, and we can change every battery in the same time. It's continuous. We have it's possible to make this charge continuously. This is a monitor from sensor of the temperature, and this is the radio or communication chips too. The port of the USB to change the controller or smart controller. It's easy but very we have to use this every time. It's impossible to buy this one.
Custom job.
Yes, it is important to mention that this box has been handmade by one of our volunteers in the working group. So maybe it can be improved, but at least we had a solution, because from at the beginning during our flights we detect that our batteries are low, we are in the middle of nowhere. What we can do, we just have the car. So this volunteer proposed us, maybe I can think in something that can be a solution. and I think it's quite useful. So we are now trying to improve, because as you can see in the image on top, it's a bit not covered, this part. So sometimes if you have to fly or move or send the box with the drone to other place in the country, it's a bit fragile, but we are trying to improve how it is set it up. But it's quite useful, and I think that now Alain is going to present another solution that we have. Well, that they have. Alain is from the Basque Country team, so, and as an expert in R&D, is always presenting us new solutions, and this will be the opportunity for me as well to know what he's going to say next.
And this one is very, very important. Do you have in your teams the portable power stations?
Kevin on the call is a member of the American Red Cross ITT team. And I think at one point, Kevin, we were looking at kind of solar charging options, but didn't end up adding any to the kit, I don't think.
Yeah, that's correct. We had looked at a couple of different options and talked with a couple of vendors. I don't remember exactly why at the time we didn't add it to the kit, but yeah, we don't have any of those, but we had looked into it before, and I think might be a good time to revisit it for this kind of thing. And at the time, we had also thought about it as another potential alternate use case for it is being a portable charging station for clients, basically, like for people that need it that aren't part of the Red Cross operation. So this is probably a good time to revisit it in the Amcross ITT area.
Okay.
Alain, if you have a sunny day, how much electricity can the panels collect? Is it enough to charge all the batteries multiple times, or?
At the same?
With the solar panels, yeah, if you have a sunny day, how much can they charge?
Only for drone battery. This is for 6 battery in simultaneous process. We have 36 amperes for 6 battery. We have to charge in 1 hour, maybe 15 minutes, but it's simultaneous. This is not the DJI charger. The DJI charger is 1 battery, then 2 battery, 3 battery. This is the intensity of the string. The strong is every time from the 6 battery. It's more speed to change this system. The problem is we have the smart controller. We have normally 1 smart controller, and about 2 hours the battery is down, and we need to 1 hour to make the battery. To change now with the other system this is the intensity of the solar, and you have to take this model. You have to carry 2 days every time 6 battery from drone. With the solar panel, we have to put in parallel systems, and this panel is from 200 watt per hour. In function of the intensity, about 1 sunny day, we have to change 25% of the portable power station, and we have to 6 hours of the battery from drone. This is very, very interesting system.
I saw that the box has small fans in it to move the air. Does it get hot when you're charging the batteries? Can it charge with it closed, not get too hot?
Bueno, tampoco. With clothes is the intensity is very, very, very small to change. Yeah.
I'm laughing because Alain is saying, bueno, it depends. and it's super Spanish expression. Depende, you know.
No, this system is from a lot of sun, and we have in the north of Spain. This is the closest every day. We have a lot of rain, snow, and only it's possible for us to chase every time with a solar chase. Yeah, we need electric to connect to the car systems to charge this one. Yeah.
Interesting. Great.
But it's possible to put other one and solar pack, and if you want mobility with one vehicle is a small vehicle, you can go with one, but it's the PMA is the bus camp. You can in the bus camp had a lot of this one and get a good intensity from stone.
How heavy is the box itself, weight-wise?
Well, about 20 kilo.
20
It's,
kilos.
Yeah.
Okay. So it's not easy to move over hills or off-road very far then, without wheels, I guess.
I think Alain
It's
is
a big
saying
lithium
that
battery inside, right?
Yeah, you see,
The-
I think Alain is saying that it is easy
You
because
have
Alain is as well member of
this
the
model have a different battery, but you can buy a model with more small or more hot. You can much more capacity or only one. Yeah.
Yeah, although I think Alain is saying that it's easy to move with this because he's part of the search and rescue, the good search and rescue team as well. So they used to carry a lot of heavy equipment, but for people like us, I think as well that 20 kilos is a bit hard to if you need to
No,
walk,
yeah.
I don't know, 2 or 3
Well,
kilometers.
the solar planner the solar is more later. Yeah.
Brent, you're muted. Brent, you're muted.
I'm sorry, I didn't realize I was muted. No, I was saying it. If it's on your backpack, that would be difficult. If you could roll it on a cart or something off-road, that would be fine. But with your other equipment and this thing, that would be heavy. But my other question is, I don't see a fuse box or any way to, given you have so much electricity moving around here. I heard Dan's question about heat, and you've got a fan, I think, in the other box or vent set. But is there any consideration to put a fuse panel or a breaker just for safety?
Not got it. The chat.
Or is the thing on the top? What are the little rubber caps covering on the top of the box? So for the charging box,
yeah,
with the batteries inside, can you go to the first image, first slide?
Yeah.
Are there any fuses? Is there a like in a house, you have the breakers for in case there's a surge, or that's like a fail-safe
Yeah.
protection. Or
In
a
an
car.
automobile, there's the inexpensive fuses. Just a thought, because you've got a lot of voltage here, and a lot of cables. So you could have an overheating issue, though you'd be doing this outside, presumably.
Yes, you are right. I think this is one thing where we have to improve our first pilot of these bugs, but you're completely right. Yeah, we don't. I think we don't have this emergency system to shut down in case of the heating increase a lot.
I think the biggest topic is the 220 volt, while the most of here is 12 volt charging system, and I think the fuses are on the charger inside. On the Mavic, I think that was a Mavic charger, yeah, a 6-time. Can you go to the inside of the box?
This is the 12.
No, the other one. The other one.
The other. No, the one. The
inside.
Photo of the inside, la de dentro.
Why?
Yeah, this one. There are the 2 chargers, and I see also on the 220 volt.
It's possible to connect to 12 volt, but it's very slow connection. But it's impossible to change the battery in 1 hour. We need 2 hours for battery.
No, the fuse is in. You have 2 fuses in the. There are 220 volts in, and you have 2 fuses on the charger. And I have seen also on the power supply there was a 16 amp. Or was there a fuse on the power switch as well?
Yeah. I don't know.
Okay. So, and the biggest problem is, I think you have the most critical with the power station.
Yeah.
We have also the a small EcoFlow. It's a similar system. Yeah.
EcoFlow
quite popular.
Is the different model from that
and
one.
it has also no IP rating. Yeah. So what we are doing, we have such a Eurobox. I don't know if this is also in America. the name. It's a plastic. It's a Eurobox. Yeah. It's a defined size of containers. Yeah. Where that you can close, and there is also you can. We put the box inside that we have, let's say, a little bit of rain protection or moisture protection, so you can overcome not to have the power station inside the rain. Why it's not an outdoor power station, this version. Yeah, you see all the open connections, but in the matter of pricing, I will say it's a good option. We do it the same way a little bit, but without any solar.
Yeah.
Great, thank you.
The inside of this system, we have a temperature controller. We have to inside with the very small system, but the system is down, and then with this cold, the same the system can rearm it and start it. Yeah, this is the sensor with the inside temperature monitor. We have the system to control that.
Okay, I think this was the question. If we had some system that shut down everything in case of the sensor indicates that the heat is up to, I don't know, whatever.
Okay, awesome, very exciting.
We know that we have to improve this mini system, but we are very proud of our first pilot. It works. Tomorrow we are going to do some tests with some bags and the drone and with the Vodafone phone company, and we are going to test again this and how it works, and well, we'll keep improving it, and we have take good note of your suggestions. Because I don't know how many people we are. 10 heads thinks more than 2. So thank you for listening to us and for the suggestions as well.